Hello, my name is Rebecca from Michigan. I wanted to actually send you guys over two different reviews of products that I recently purchased. One of them is going to be the sewing clips, the 50-piece. I absolutely love these. So right now I'm sewing masks like everybody else around here, and it was so nice to be able to just clip everything into place rather than using pins. First of all, I don't prick myself, which I seem to keep doing. Second, it doesn't ruin the fabric by putting little holes in it. And then it's also so much faster to do than trying to do the individual little pins in each one. So those clips are a game changer for sure. The second thing that I purchased was the 32-piece set presser foot. Came with a CD in there. Also a booklet, which is super helpful because this is going to give you descriptions of when to use everything. I've been sewing for many, many years, but I'm not very good at it. So this was going to be something I think that will really help me kind of elevate my game a little bit. And it comes with all of the different feet, everything that I could need for it. The sewing machine that I'm working with is the Brother SE400. And these clipped right on, super easy to use. And so far, so good with it. So I'm really happy with this purchase. It kind of is going to make me do quite a bit better in my sewing, which is a necessity. So thank you very much. I'm super excited to buy more from your site because this is now a new addiction. So yay, thank you. And I'm very happy with everything.